everyone! Today we're introducing Bugatti's new masterpiece, the Tourbillon. No, you're not looking at a new Chiron version. This model boasts an entirely new body and suspension. Even the hybrid V16 at its heart is completely new. Yes, meet Bugatti's new beast, the Tourbillon. We've heard plenty of rumors about this model, but contrary to all claims, it arrives with a brand new engine. At its heart lies an 8.3-liter unit, revving up to 9,000 RPM without turbos and producing a massive 1,000 horsepower. Built in partnership with Cosworth, this beast weighs just 251 kg. That's right, it's even lighter than the W16 engine it replaces. The secret behind this achievement is, of course, hybrid technology. There are two electric motors on the front axle and one on the rear, providing a combined 800 horsepower. These motors draw power from a 25 kilowatt battery. The Tourbillon, with its total output of 800 horsepower, rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2 seconds. But the Tourbillon's capabilities don't stop there. Put the pedal to the metal, and you'll hit 124 mph in just 5 seconds, 186 mph in just 10 seconds, and it reaches its top speed of 236 mph in only 25 seconds. But wait, there's more. If you use the speed key, the Tourbillon unleashes its full potential, reaching a whopping 276 mph. This makes it a technical milestone. Despite its additional electric motors and battery pack, the Tourbillon is lighter than the Chiron it succeeds. This beast is street legal and features an 800-volt system that supports fast charging. While the exact charging times are yet to be confirmed, this innovation makes the Tourbillon even more practical. The interior is just as impressive as the exterior. Step inside, and you'll see modern technology blending seamlessly with retro design. The fully analog dashboard provides all the information you need. You won't spot a single digital screen inside, unless you look closely. The hidden digital screen on the center console, which also supports Apple CarPlay, is a subtle but striking feature. Production of the Tourbillon will start in 2026, with only 250 units to be made. To own one, you'll need to shell out 3.6 million euros, which is roughly $3.9 million at today's exchange rates. So there you have it, Bugatti's new legend, the Tourbillon. What do you think of this incredible machine? Let us know in the comments. See you in the next video, and until then, take care.